How to make money on Freelancer as a logo designer. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So first of all, let's explain the platform for you. So guys, freelancer.com is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills. So for example, if I was a business owner or an individual coming to this platform searching for a logo designer, I will just go to hire freelancers button in here, click on by skill, and I can search for graphic designers or logo designers, which is what I'm looking for. Then I will be able to see all of the expert logo designers in the platform. So these are the profiles of those people. Let's go to see more logo designers. And here you'll be able to see their profiles, where are they from, their profile picture, and you can read their description, the headline first, then you have the description, how they talk about themselves, how are they describing their skill, how much reviews they've got, what are those reviews, if there are good reviews or bad reviews, how much they're getting paid per hour as well, and the same thing with the other profiles. So guys, in today's video, you're going to learn how to create your profile like those people, to showcase your skills, how much you're getting paid, and to talk about or to describe yourself and your skill in order for business owners to come and check your profile, and if they find you good or if they like your profile, you will get hired by them. So let's go back to the main page to show you how you can create your profile. So here, click on earn money freelancing, and then you fill the usual information, your first name, last name, email, and password. Then you click on join freelancer. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account, so here I'm going to drop my email and password, then click on login. Let's give it a few seconds to load. And here you'll be able to see your dashboard. Here you'll be able to control everything about your profile, and by going to the button in your top right, you'll be able to see your account, your profile, membership, account analytics, bid, insights, settings, and also you can see your finances, your balance. You can add funds, withdraw funds, transaction history, financial dashboard, payment sharing, and you can also see the support or if you want to invite a friend, click on here to get your own unique link, or if you want to log out from your profile. So here, let's go to view profile. And here, this is our profile, and as you can see, it's pretty empty. We have no reviews, no money, and no likeliness, and also no jobs completed on time, nothing, because the profile is still fresh. So here, first thing you will need to do is to click on edit your profile in order to edit all of those things. So here you will have first to verify your email. I didn't do that, so I'm not able to edit my profile. So just make sure to verify your email, then add a profile picture, and same thing with your cover photo. Make sure to upload a good cover photo for your profile as well. And when you're done with that, then you proceed to the verifications. So here, make sure to finish all of these tasks. Join a preferred freelancer. As you can see, not a member of our elite group of the best freelancers. Same thing with your identity verified. Make sure to verify your identity not verified through a government issued ID check and a proof of address. Payment verify your payments not verified to have a valid payment method. Verify your phone number as well, phone number not verified, email, and if you can, make sure to connect your Facebook account. And if you are asking why I need to do all of these things, simply because these things will make your profile gain more credibility and more trust in the platform. And if you have the credibility and trust, it will be easy for clients to hire you. And then when you're done with those verifications, then you proceed to your hourly rate. So here you will be able to enter your hourly rate after you verify your email. After that, you proceed to fill in these sections. The professional headline, it's where you're going to enter a headline like a logo designer or logo designing, simply something to do with your skill. And then in the summary, you're going to describe yourself, describe your inspiration, and describe the kind of work you do, the skills you have, where did you learn it, how did it take to learn, and all of those stuff. And after you're done with the summary, then you proceed to enter in your skills. So here, click on this pencil, and as you can see, you can add up to 20 skills. So let's remove these ones, and let's search for logo. And here we have logo design. If you can perform 3D logo, you can add that as well, and logo animation. And then if you want to save these changes, go down and click on save. Then you proceed to fill in the portfolio section. So guys, make sure to add that as well. It will add more credibility and trust to your profile. Same thing with your experience, education, qualifications, and publications as well. And when you're done with improving your profile and making all of these changes, let's go then to find some work for us. So let's go to browse, click on projects, and here scroll down, remove this one, and let's search for the projects related to logo design. And here you will be able to see all of the projects that are related to the skill that you can perform. So here we have this one who is looking for a brand manager in natural cosmetics. I am looking for a brand manager who can handle product development and branding for my specific product line in natural cosmetics, and he's paying $371. So guys, you can check all of these projects, and you can apply for the one that you like or the one that fits your requirements. You can read the description, see the skills that they are looking for, how much they're paying, and you can apply for that job if it fits you. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below.